Hello everyone, welcome back to Galaxy Station. Today I have got something exciting to talk about, the latest December 2023 software update for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. In this video, I will show you how to download and install the latest software update on your Samsung Galaxy S23 phone. Before I dive in, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech updates. Now gets started. First thing first, let's talk about the benefit of new software update. Samsung has listened to user feedback and worked hard to enhance the overall performance, security and user experience on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. You can expect improved system stability after Android 14 update, enhanced app performance and even some cool new features that will take your smartphone experience to the next level. Let's go ahead and download the update. Make sure your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or mobile data to ensure a smooth download process. Go to your phone settings, scroll down to software update, then tap download and install. Your phone will check for the latest software update, and if one is available like this, you will see the option to download it. Hit download and let the magic happen. Let me tell you a few quick tips to ensure a smooth update process. Firstly, back up your important data to avoid any data loss during the update. Secondly, clear some spaces on your device to make room for the new feature. Also, make sure your phone has over 50% charge to start off software installation process. And lastly, to ensure a smooth and trouble-free software update, it is advisable to perform updates in a cool environment. Software updates often require the phone's processor to work intensively, which can generate heat. If the phone is already running hot or is exposed to high temperature, the update process can create many problems. Overheating can not only cause discomfort for the user but may also damage internal components of the phone. So, maintaining a normal temperature helps ensure the smooth and successful installation of the phone. Now, time to click install now. Wait for the installation to complete. This may take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, your phone will restart automatically. And there you have it, folks. A quick look at the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra's December software update with Android 14 One UI 6.0. Samsung continues to impress with their commitment to deliver cutting-edge features and improvements. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.